stealth rod holders. This is our quick release cam. It's patented innovation for rod holders. It grips the handle so that your rod isn't going anywhere until you want it to catch a fish.
That is really cool. So there's like corners built in. Oh, that's slick.
So the same motion that you use to set the hook is how you release the rod.
Yep. So if you're big fish fishing, you don't have to pull it out that way with a fish on. You just pull it right out.
There's no locking collars or anything like that involved. We've got the mounting situation covered for our yak anglers. We've got track mount. It's a 2-point mount, so there's no twisting or loosening.
So some advantages
We
of it
have a rail mount that fits both round or square.
You get a fish on.
So that's going to fit your Hobie
It will
PAs.
also, yep,
and then have to flip it over.
absolutely. It's very versatile.
Because rod
This is our original QR1,
Okay.
and it fits most rods, but if you want to fish something a little bit bigger and you've got a larger diameter rod, we developed the QR2 this year.
Okay.
So this is new on the market this year. It's got larger diameter. The cam is a little bit larger to accept those rods. It's got the same mechanism.
And so are these modular? Could you put like a longer support like this on this one, or is it one or the other?
Absolutely. We've got risers here for this, and then we also have a dual pivot riser so that you can adjust forward or back on your boat, on your kayak. We have flush mounts, regular multi-mount.
I've got a guy that fishes reds on the
Yeah, pretty much got you covered as far as rod holders go.
That's awesome. Cool. Well, thanks for checking out, or thanks for letting us know about your product, and you'll be seeing some of these on our kayaks at Georgia Kayak Fishing.